Hi beautiful humans, so today I'll be showing you guys how to get that perfect winged liner. If you're new to this channel, you know the drill. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. It's not going to take you so much energy. It's literally going to take you 1 KB of your internet to press that subscribe button with 0.000 energy. Yeah guys, you get my point. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. So the products I'm going to be using for my eyeliner are these two eyeliners. They're both from Kiko Milano, and this one as well. This one is from the Silicon Notes collection. No, Sicilian, whatever, I don't know how to pronounce this thing. Yeah, it's from that collection, this green collection. So first guys, how I do my eyeliner is I start from the angle. Okay, so I'm going to be using the angled brush. Okay, so what I do is I make a very I do it with open eyes, not closed eyes, by the way, so I can see how the line is going up my eye, and if it's even, you know, it's perfect for my eye shape. So I have to come closer, right? So here's the eyeliner. What I do is I make a small line just like that. You see how I made that? And like, you know, make another like wing kind of thing on top, just a small one. Yeah, so guys, just watch how I do it. So I'm gonna take the same angled eyeliner. Guys, now you see I have taken the eyeliner to like here with the same angled brush, but I'm not going to use the same eyeliner to color the inside part because I'm going to use the other eyeliner since it's darker. So as you guys can see, I have colored the inside part and I made it slightly thicker. And I forgot to tell you guys about one extra product that I was going to use, and that's the Kiko Milano eye pencil. So I'm going to use this eye pencil for the inside part of my eyes. You see, it's that quick, like, and it's so dark and easy to apply. So if you guys can see a difference with this eye and this eye is darker even from the top because I have applied this eyeliner from the inside top. So this is how I applied it. Just simply put like this, and there you go. See? So guys, my perfect eyeliner is done. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and liked or learned something new from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.